In today's video, I will teach you how to edit the sky in your photos in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Once you've opened the image in your editor, go to the sidebar and open the Edits tab. Under the Basic Edits category, select Colors. Here, you can adjust the white balance as well as the saturation and the vibrance of the colors. Make sure to also adjust the temperature slider to warm up the entire picture and increase the saturation a little with the saturation slider. But to make things easier, you can just click the Auto Adjust Colors and PicMonkey will automatically fix the color of your image. If you would like to only apply the effect on the sky, you can use the brush tool and go over the areas where you would like to adjust the color. And once you're satisfied, you can now click Apply. Now, go back to the sidebar and open the Effects tab. Under the Paint Box category, select Tint. Select pink or purple from the color picker, but don't worry about the precise color right now because we're going to adjust it later. Now, select Multiply from the options in the Blend Mode drop-down menu. The Fade slider controls how thickly the color is applied, so set it at a high value, around 80%, so the effect will be subtle. You can also adjust it later. On the Erase and Brush palette, select the paintbrush icon. Make the brush size bigger, change the brush hardness to 0, and set the brush strength to around 25 using the sliders on the palette. Now, paint over the clouds on your image. After you've painted the color in the light spots, you can now modify the Fade slider for the desired intensity and the color picker for your desired tint. Just play around with different amounts until you achieve your desired intensity. And once you're satisfied, you can now click Apply. And once you're done, you can now save the image to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.